Stretching across more than 70% of our planet, Earth's oceans are a realm of profound depth and serenity. Their rolling waves and shimmering surfaces conceal a world teeming with life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. These vast waters regulate our climate, generate oxygen, and provide nourishment for countless species. For billions of years, the oceans have been both a cradle and a shield for life on Earth. Yet beneath this calm exterior lies a delicate balance, one that has weathered the passage of time and the forces of nature. Today, the oceans appear timeless and unyielding, a testament to the enduring power of our blue planet. But even these mighty waters are not immune to the rare and unpredictable forces that come from beyond our world. High above the tranquil ocean, a shadow emerges. At first, just a distant speck against the blue expanse. As it hurtles closer, its true enormity becomes clear. A meteor rivaling the size of Mount Everest, dwarfing everything in its path. The sheer scale is almost unimaginable. A mountain suspended in motion, racing toward Earth with unstoppable force. Sunlight glints off its jagged surface, casting a chilling pall over the waves below. The world watches in stunned silence as the sky darkens, the sense of impending disaster growing with every passing second. In this moment, the fate of the planet hangs in the balance, and the calm before the storm is shattered by the arrival of a cosmic giant. High above the Earth, the meteor appears as a distant, glowing ember, silently racing toward our planet. From orbit, its immense size becomes clear, dwarfing the clouds and casting a growing shadow across the ocean below. At the water's surface, marine life senses a disturbance as the sky darkens and a fiery object grows ever larger on the horizon. Along the coast, people gaze upward in disbelief, watching as the meteor's brilliance outshines the midday sun. The world holds its breath, united in anticipation and fear, as the colossal rock hurtles closer, seconds away from unleashing unimaginable energy. Every perspective reveals the same inescapable truth. Impact is imminent, and nothing will ever be the same. In an instant, the meteor collides with the ocean's surface, unleashing energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. A colossal column of water erupts skyward, dwarfing even the tallest mountains. Shockwaves ripple outward, racing across the sea and shattering the calm for thousands of kilometers. Superheated steam billows into the atmosphere, forming dense clouds that blot out the sun. The force of the impact scours the ocean floor, sending debris and vapor high above the planet. This single moment transforms the landscape, marking the beginning of a global catastrophe. In the moments following impact, the ocean erupts with unimaginable force. Towering mega tsunamis, some reaching heights of over 1,000 meters, surge outward in all directions. These colossal waves race across the sea, obliterating everything in their path and crashing onto distant shores with devastating power. Coastlines are scoured clean, entire landscapes erased in minutes, while the seafloor is torn apart and reshaped by the sheer energy unleashed. The shockwaves reverberate through the planet, triggering underwater landslides and sending plumes of water vapor and debris high into the atmosphere. In this chaos, the familiar contours of continents and oceans are forever altered, marking the beginning of a new and uncertain chapter for Earth. As the shockwave from the meteor impact radiates outward, the devastation does not end with the initial blast. Coastal cities, once bustling with life, are swept away by towering tsunamis and relentless flooding. The sudden displacement of water and energy triggers powerful hurricanes, their winds tearing across continents already reeling from disaster. Deep beneath the surface, the immense pressure change destabilizes tectonic plates, unleashing earthquakes that ripple through the land. In some regions, these seismic shocks awaken dormant volcanoes, sending plumes of ash and fire into the sky. The world is plunged into chaos as nature's fury is unleashed on an unprecedented scale, reshaping coastlines and altering the very fabric of the planet. When a meteor the size of Mount Everest plunges into the ocean, The physics at play are both immense and complex. As the meteor strikes, it displaces billions of tons of water in an instant, sending colossal columns skyward and carving a vast crater into the sea. The energy released is equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, transferring shockwaves through water and rock alike. Tsunami waves, some over a kilometer high, radiate outward at incredible speeds, racing across entire ocean basins. The intense heat generated by the impact vaporizes vast quantities of seawater, injecting steam and debris high into the atmosphere. These dynamic forces, visualized through advanced CGI, reveal the true scale of destruction such an event would unleash on our planet. When a meteor the size of Mount Everest crashes into the ocean, the force of the impact vaporizes vast quantities of seawater, sending immense plumes of steam high into the atmosphere. Alongside this, colossal amounts of dust and rocky debris are ejected skyward, forming a dense shroud that encircles the planet. This thick veil blocks sunlight, plunging the world into a prolonged twilight and causing global temperatures to drop sharply. The sudden cooling disrupts weather patterns, triggering violent storms and unpredictable rainfall. Acid rain, formed as atmospheric chemicals react with the vaporized materials, falls across continents. In the weeks and months that follow, the altered atmosphere challenges life everywhere, as ecosystems struggle to adapt to the new, dimmer world. A meteor the size of Mount Everest plunging into the ocean would unleash devastation on a scale rarely seen in Earth's history. The immediate aftermath would see colossal shockwaves and tsunamis obliterating marine habitats, wiping out countless species in an instant. Ecosystems finely balanced over millions of years would be thrown into chaos, with food chains collapsing from the loss of plankton, fish, and larger marine animals. Historical precedents, such as the Chicxulub impact that ended the age of the dinosaurs, reveal how such events can trigger mass extinctions, not just in the oceans, but across the entire planet. The disruption of oceanic life would ripple outward, affecting coastal environments and even the global climate. In the wake of such a catastrophe, the recovery of life would be slow and uncertain, forever altering the course of evolution. When a meteor the size of Mount Everest strikes the ocean, the immediate aftermath would be catastrophic, with towering tsunamis sweeping across continents and inundating coastlines. Scientific studies of ancient impacts, such as the Chicxulub event, reveal that these waves can reach heights of over a kilometer, flooding vast areas far from the impact site. In the longer term, the disruption of marine and terrestrial ecosystems could trigger mass extinctions, as evidenced by the loss of marine life following a colossal impact 215 million years ago. However, recent research suggests that while the immediate environmental effects are severe, Earth's climate may stabilize over time, with no permanent shift detected after some ancient impacts. Despite this resilience, the initial devastation would reshape habitats, alter food chains, and challenge the survival of countless species. The scars left on the planet would serve as a stark reminder of nature's power and the fragility of life in the face of cosmic events. As news of the impending impact spreads, panic ripples through coastal communities. Sirens blare and emergency broadcasts urge residents to evacuate low-lying areas, triggering a mass exodus toward higher ground. Scientists around the world race to analyze incoming data, striving to predict the scale of devastation and advise governments on emergency responses. In cities far from the coast, people gather in awe and fear, watching the unfolding disaster from a safe distance. The world holds its breath, united in uncertainty, as humanity confronts the unimaginable power of a cosmic event. In these moments, the fragility of civilization becomes starkly apparent, and the collective will to survive is tested as never before. Throughout history, Earth has been shaped by forces far beyond human control. The possibility of a meteor the size of Mount Everest striking our planet serves as a stark reminder of our vulnerability to cosmic events. Despite advances in technology and disaster preparedness, humanity remains exposed to the unpredictable power of the universe. Our resilience is tested not only by our ability to respond to such catastrophes, but also by our willingness to learn from the past and adapt for the future. These events challenge us to strengthen our scientific understanding and global cooperation. Ultimately, they underscore the fragile balance that sustains life on Earth and the importance of preparing for even the most unimaginable scenarios. Despite the unimaginable devastation unleashed by a meteor impact of this magnitude, history reveals a remarkable resilience in life on Earth. After the colossal strike 3.26 billion years ago, which boiled oceans and reshaped continents, life not only endured, but eventually flourished. Even mass extinctions, such as those triggered by ancient impacts, have been followed by periods of renewal and diversification. These cycles of destruction and rebirth underscore the adaptability of our planet's ecosystems. While the immediate aftermath would be bleak, with widespread loss and upheaval, the story of Earth is one of persistence and regeneration. Over time, new forms of life would emerge, filling the voids left behind and transforming the world in unexpected ways. From the silence of space, Earth appears forever changed. Vast storm systems swirl across continents, scars of devastation etched into the surface, and the oceans roil beneath dense clouds. The planet glows with the aftershocks of unimaginable force, a testament to nature's raw power. In this altered world, the fate of humanity hangs in the balance. As we gaze upon our fragile blue home, one question remains. Would humanity endure such a cataclysm? Or would our story be forever rewritten in fire and water?